Are you ready to unlock the secrets to making your money work for you? If you've ever wondered how to get started with investing, and you feel like it's all too complicated or overwhelming, don't worry. This video is the perfect starting point. We're going to break down everything you need to know about investing for beginners in 2025, and by the end, you'll have the confidence to start your own investment journey. So, let's dive in and discover how you can build wealth and financial freedom. Stick with me. Welcome, future investors. If you're watching this video, chances are you're either interested in investing or you're just getting started. Maybe you're overwhelmed by the thought of it. Or maybe you've heard a lot of different things about where and how to begin. Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to walk through the basics of investing, clear up all the confusion, and help you take your first steps towards building wealth. And the best part, you don't need a degree in finance to understand it. Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about what investing actually is. When you invest, you're essentially putting your money to work. Instead of keeping it in a savings account, earning little to no interest, you're putting it into something that has the potential to grow over time. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets, the goal of investing is to make your money grow at a faster rate than it would if you just saved it. Now, here's the kicker. Investing is not about getting rich quick. It's about patience, strategy, and making smart decisions. Over time, with the right approach, your money can grow, and you can build wealth for the future. Now, you might be wondering, why should you even bother investing in the first place? Well, think about inflation. Inflation is when the cost of goods and services increases over time. If you leave your money sitting in a bank account, it may be losing value due to inflation. Investing helps you beat inflation and grow your money faster than just saving it. Also, think about your goals. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, building a retirement fund, or just creating financial security for yourself, investing can help you reach those goals much faster. And while no investment is guaranteed, the stock market, for example, has historically outperformed inflation and savings accounts over time. Let's look at the most common types of investments for beginners. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Stocks. Stocks are shares of a company. When you buy stock, you own a small part of that company. As the company grows and becomes more valuable, your investment can increase in value. But remember, stocks can be volatile. They can go up and down. So it's important to do your research and invest for the long term. Bonds. Bonds are like IOUs from companies or governments. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to that entity in exchange for interest over a set period. Bonds are generally less risky than stocks, but they offer lower returns. Mutual funds and ETFs. These are great for beginners who don't want to pick individual stocks. Mutual funds and ETFs are collections of different investment stocks, bonds, and more all packaged together. They allow you to diversify your portfolio, which is an important strategy to lower risk. Real estate. Investing in real estate means buying property, such as houses, apartments, or commercial buildings. This can be a good way to generate passive income and build long-term wealth. However, it requires more capital up front compared to other investments. Every investment comes with some level of risk. What does that mean? Well, sometimes your investment could lose value, or you might not get the returns you were expecting. But here's the important part. The higher the risk, the higher the potential reward. For example, stocks might be riskier, but they have historically offered higher returns than safer investments like bonds. So, what should you do? Well, as a beginner, you'll want to start with lower risk investments while you learn and build your portfolio. And over time, you can start exploring higher risk options as you get more comfortable. Now that we know the basics, let's talk about how you can actually get started with investing. Set clear goals. What do you want to achieve with your investments? Maybe it's retirement, buying a house, or just growing your money. Setting clear goals will help guide your strategy. Start small. You don't need thousands of dollars to start investing. Many platforms let you start with as little as $50 or $100. Starting small helps you get comfortable with the process. Choose your investment platform. There are tons of platforms that let you invest, such as Robinhood, Trade, and others. Make sure to choose one that fits your needs and offers low fees. Diversify your portfolio. Instead of putting all your money into one type of investment, spread it out. A diverse portfolio helps lower risk and increases your chances of success. Be patient. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. The key is to stay consistent and stay focused on the long-term goal. And that's it. You're now equipped with the basic knowledge to get started investing in 2025. The most important thing is to start. Don't wait until you feel like you know everything. Just take those first steps. Learn along the way, and you'll be on your way to building wealth and financial security. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has helped clear things up for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Happy investing!